Hi, on my workbench today a coffee maker from Royal Catering. A very useful machine, especially when you're having breakfast buffets in a hotel. You would see these in conference rooms and any place where you need a lot of hot coffee for a lot of sleepy guests, let's say. Alright, so let me just go through some of the details and I show you what it does. So first of all, this particular model has a 6-litre capacity. You can see the water level on this meter, on this gauge. If you're starting making coffee, the minimum water capacity is 2.5 litres, maximum is of course 6 litres. You should never overfill it because I will show you in a second it shouldn't touch the coffee basket. So talking about the coffee basket, that's what it is. That's where you put your ground coffee in. The pipe goes in and it sort of works like a coffee machine, like the espresso machine, the Italian one. So I already put some cold water in. I drop this pipe in. The coffee basket goes on top. You just need to sort of find the hole where it fits, just like that. If it comes to the amount of coffee, well, the producer says it's around 6 grams per cup. So for 6 litres, it's around 144 grams of coffee. I won't measure it really thoroughly, really precisely. I have around 150 grams in here. So you just sort of put the coffee in. Just like that. Let's drop everything inside. Make sure it is nice and flat in the basket. Nice and even. You don't need to be like, really precise with it because it will flatten out where the water goes through it. And drop this lid in. Just make sure you align it with the hole as well. So the way it works, the heating element is in the base. It works with 1150 watts of power, so it's quite powerful for such a compact package. This will make the water boil, evaporate, it will condensate on the lid, it will drop down on the basket, and it will extract the coffee down. The on and off switch is on the side here. Let's turn it on straight away. You have 2 indicator lights. Well, sorry, 1 indicator light is the green one. The green light flashes, it turns on as soon as the coffee is ready. So it takes a while. Let me just put the lid on. As you can hear, the heating element started working straight away. So let me just go through some of the other details. On this side, you have 2 handles with heat-through grips. Which makes it really easy to transport the device. Just be careful and never transport it when it's full with hot liquid. But since it is working on a buffet, you want to assemble the buffet and disassemble it, and in order to do so, you have these handy grips. On the base is a removable drip tray, so you can take it off for cleaning and put it back on. This cleaning rod is included in the set, which is a really cool feature. So that's for cleaning the pipe, which is inside. Also, you can clean the tap with it. Talking about the tap, I show you how it works in a second when the coffee is ready. But in the meantime, let me just tell you, if you're looking for a coffee machine, just have a look at the website because there's a whole range of these devices on offer. Ranging in from 6 litres down up to I believe 30 litres or more, so definitely find the one that you need for your venue or your hotel or your conference room. So just have a look. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, and the producer made sure it will be safe on its journey by packing it in a really sturdy cardboard box, just like this one, really tough cardboard. Almost wood-like, with lots of packaging material in it for a tight fit, bubble wrap, styrofoam and so on, so nothing should happen to it on its way. Also inside you will find an instruction manual. Please have a read because there's a lot of useful information on how to operate the device, how to clean and maintain it and so on, so definitely a good read. Alright, so now what's left? Just have a wait and see how the coffee turns out. So the green light is on, meaning the coffee is ready, so I will pour myself a cup. So the tap has two functions. So when you push it, it will lock itself in that position, and you have to remember to pull it back up. And when you press it, it will jump back up, so you can control how much you're pouring. All right, so that's about it. So if you found this interesting and informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.